In a world where respect is often elusive, imagine being the person who commands it effortlessly, without uttering a single word. Power is not a gift, it is claimed. The weak often find themselves seeking attention, anxious and restless, almost waiting for a nod of approval to prove their existence. In contrast, the powerful navigate through life, silent yet commanding, every glance and breath deliberate and controlled. If you aspire to be feared, respected, and obeyed, then mastering the unspoken rules of authority is essential. Picture yourself moving with the grace of a king, standing tall as a warrior, and casting glances that suggest others owe you a debt of respect. Forget the cliches about confidence. It's not merely about the words you speak, but how you inhabit the space around you. What if I shared with you 5 profound body language secrets that can elevate your presence, allowing you to garner respect from almost anyone? These techniques are potent, and by embodying them, you won't have to ask for respect. You will command it. Pay extra attention to the 5th secret. It's a true game changer. Consider this. Weak individuals often fidget, tapping their fingers, shifting their weight, or demonstrating their anxious energy through incessant movement. Each gesture betrays their insecurity. They crave comfort, filling silence with restlessness. Yet, the truly powerful remain calm and still, exuding an aura of unshakable control. When you minimize your movements, you draw the attention of those around you. Stillness is the posture of kings and warriors, men who do not need to prove themselves. To embrace this, every action must be purposeful. Let each gesture resonate with intent. Banish the habits that betray nervousness. No tapping, shifting, or playing with your fingers. When you stand, ground yourself. Let your feet anchor you as if the earth beneath is yours to command. Sit with confidence. Shoulders back, hands relaxed. Control your breathing. Deep, slow, and deliberate. The more composed you are, the more imposing your presence becomes. Now, imagine a stark scene in a gritty interrogation room. 2 men intersect in a game of psychological dominance. One man squirms, sweat trickling down his brow, shifting anxiously, glancing around like a prey threatened. In stark contrast, the other remains perfectly still, firm in his seat, eyes locked in a powerful stare. In that moment, the one who remains unmoved claims all authority. Fast forward to a high-stakes negotiation between 2 CEOs. One is perpetually adjusting his tie, shifting nervously in his seat, rubbing his hands together as anxiety seeps into the air. Meanwhile, the other exudes poise, maintaining a steady presence that commands respect. It is in these unspoken moments where true power resides, where respect is not just given, but demanded. The other stands like a statue, fingers steepled, poised in calmness. Who do you think commands the situation? A weak man shrinks, shoulders caving in, arms drawn close. He makes himself smaller, as if afraid to exist. That's submission. That's weakness. In contrast, a powerful man expands, owning his space. His very posture demands respect. To embody this power, stand tall, chest out, shoulders back. Never slouch. Keep your feet shoulder-width apart. Never give the impression of shrinking. When sitting, spread out naturally. Don't fold into yourself like a nervous child. Own the space around you. Move as if you control the room. Picture a lone warrior entering a bar filled with foes. No slouching. No attempts to make himself smaller. He takes up space, exuding quiet dominance. The room falls silent, all eyes turn to him. Now, think of a high-stakes courtroom. One lawyer stands tall, unyielding, taking control of the room while the other hunches over, shifting with nerves. Even before a word is spoken, you know who has the edge. A man who can't hold eye contact fears confrontation. He's uncertain, submissive, weak. He looks down when challenged and glances away when spoken to. That's prey behavior. Now consider a man who knows his worth. His gaze is steady, unwavering, undeterred. When speaking, maintain eye contact 60 to 70% of the time. Never be the first to break it when challenged. While listening, keep your gaze firm but allow for natural shifts. Use the triangle technique. Alternate your focus between their eyes and mouth to enhance the intensity of your gaze without being intimidating. Imagine a mafia boss sitting across from a traitor. The traitor casts his gaze downward, shifts nervously, avoiding direct eye contact. The boss, however, remains fixed, unflinching. He doesn't need to raise his voice. His steady gaze alone is powerful enough to make the other man crumble. In a high-stakes poker game, one player constantly looks down at his cards, avoiding his opponents. The other maintains direct eye contact, reading every move, confident, making the others second-guess themselves. Who do you think comes out on top? Observe a lion in the wild. Does he rush, twitch nervously, or react to every movement around him? No. He moves slowly, purposefully, exuding absolute certainty. This is the essence of power. When you slow down, you radiate control. The weak are restless and reactive, always adjusting, responding, chasing. But the strong, they make others wait. To apply this, control your pace. Walk with measured strides. Never rush. Pause before speaking. The most powerful individuals allow silence to build tension before responding. Make your gestures slow and intentional. No frantic movements or unnecessary hand-waving. React with purpose. Take your time and don't flinch when faced with a challenge. When someone pushes back, pause, gather your thoughts, and then respond. Imagine a tense negotiation. Two men sit at a table, one leaning in, speaking quickly, trying to assert his point. Meanwhile, the other leans back, calm and collected, taking a moment before he replies. By the time the first man is done talking, he has already lost grip on the conversation, while the second man sets the tone and controls the room. Now, envision a king on the battlefield, surrounded by chaos, where enemies are screaming orders and charging forward. The king strolls confidently, sword in hand, completely unfazed. His presence alone makes his foes hesitate. This illustrates the strength found in slow, intentional actions. The loudest voice is not always the strongest. Often, those who ramble and over-explain reveal their insecurities. In contrast, the strong allow others to fill the silence, speaking only when necessary, ensuring that their words hit with impact. To harness this power, talk less. Avoid unnecessary explanations. The more you say, the less weight your words carry. Use silence to steer conversations. When posed with a tough question, take a moment to respond. Observe how others squirm with discomfort. When you do speak, lower your voice just enough so that others must lean in to hear you. Speak with conviction. Powerful individuals don't ask for permission but rather articulate their thoughts firmly. Picture an interrogation room. A nervous suspect bumbles over his words, desperate to justify himself. Meanwhile, the detective remains calm, silent. With each second of quiet, the suspect's anxiety grows, making him more vulnerable. The detective doesn't need to say anything. He already holds the upper hand. Now, consider a boardroom scenario. One person drones on, pitching ideas, while another listens, waiting patiently. When he finally speaks, his succinct statement shifts the entire conversation. That's what garners respect. True power isn't merely about words, it's about how you carry yourself in a space. The weak tend to shrink, fidget, and seek validation. They slouch and avoid direct eye contact. In contrast, the powerful act with intention, commanding attention and taking up space. Master stillness, personal space, and eye contact, and you'll dominate any room you enter. Remember, adopting a darker mindset is a strategic move aimed at gaining control. Choose wisely. Either embrace this approach or remain uninformed. The decision is yours. See you soon.